Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to start the daily current affairs MCQ based questions of the 23rd November 2022. So the first question is which state has installed highest grid interactive renewable power capacity in India? यानी किस राज्य ने भारत में उच्चतम ग्रिड इंटरैक्टिव नवीकरणीय ऊर्जा क्षमता स्थापित की है? ऑप्शन ए हरियाणा, ऑप्शन बी पंजाब, ऑप्शन सी कर्नाटका, ऑप्शन डी आंध्र प्रदेश. सो इन Karnataka state has installed the highest grid interactive renewable power capacity in India. So option C is the correct option. Next is in Karnataka has installed the capacity of 15,463 megawatts of power. Next question, from which country India will take over chairmanship of Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence? Option A USA, option B France, option C Russia, option D Germany. So from the France, the India will take over chairmanship of the Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence. So correct option is option B France. So this is decided in the meeting in Tokyo that India will take over chairmanship of the Global Partnership on Artificial Intelligence for 2022 and 23. Next is the recently between which two the agreement is signed for cooperation in high performance computing. Option A is India and Singapore, option B is India and France, option C is India and Russia, option D is the India and European Union. So correct answer is between India and European Union. The agreement is signed for the cooperation in field of the high performance computing. Next is the which bank has launched the 7th edition of Knowledge Summit? The name is Evolve for MSME sector. Option is the Bank of India, option B the ICICI Bank, option C the Axis Bank, option D the HDFC Bank. तो इसका सही उत्तर हो जाएगा एक्सिस बैंक जो है वह एक नॉलेज समिट जिसका नाम है इवोल्व, वह जो है एमएसएमई सेक्टर के लिए यह लॉन्च किया है. सो करेक्ट आंसर ऑप्शन सी एक्सिस बैंक. नेक्स्ट इज रिसेंटली फॉर विच टू बैंक आरबीआई अप्रूवल फॉर रुपीज ट्रेड विद द रसिया? ऑप्शन ए बैंक ऑफ इंडिया एंड यूनियन बैंक, ऑप्शन बी द एचडीएफसी एंड एक्सिस बैंक, ऑप्शन सी द एचडीएफसी एंड कैनरा बैंक, ऑप्शन डी द एक्सिस बैंक एंड कैनरा बैंक. सो correct option is the option C between HDFC and Canara Bank. These two banks have been given approval for the trade of rupees with Russia, and for this the RBI has allowed to open a special Vostro account for the trade in rupees with Russia. Next is question 6. Which country Supreme Court rules voting age of 18 is discriminatory in the country? Its option is option A Australia, option B New Zealand, option C France, option D Russia. So the Supreme Court of New Zealand has said that the voting age of 18 is discriminatory in the country. So correct option is option B New Zealand, and the government is planning to decrease the voting age from 18 to the 16 years. Next is the who among the following created the first scientific map of Atlantic Ocean floor? Option is the Mary Tharp, option B the Alice Wilson, option C the Moira Dunbar, option D the Florence Bascom. So the Mary Tharp, correct option is option A Mary Tharp. Recently on Mary Tharp, Google has introduced the doodle in memory of the Mary Tharp. She was one of the greatest cartographers of the 20th century. Next is the question 8. The book Nala Nada Until We Meet Again is written by the option A Gautam Bora, option B Ruskin Bond, option C Gopal Bora, option D Gaurav Bora. So correct answer is the option A Gautam Bora has written the book named as the Nala Nada, जब तक हम फिर से नहीं मिलते, and this is launched in presence of Ruskin Bond. So correct answer is option A Gautam Bora. Next is question 9. Who has been honored with the UNESCO Madanjit सिंह प्राइज फॉर द 2022, यानी 2022 के लिए जो है किसे यूनेस्को द्वारा यह प्राइज दिया जाता है, मदनजीत सिंह पुरस्कार किसे सम्मानित किया गया है? ऑप्शन ए सोलंका मा ई सुलेम योंग, ऑप्शन बी द फ्रांस मा ई सुलेम योंग, ऑप्शन सी द फेलिक्स होफोएट बोइग्नी, ऑप्शन डी द मार्क जेम्स वाल्टर. सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन बी Franca Ma-e Sulem Yong has been honored with the UNESCO Madanjit Singh Prize for 2022. So correct option is option B. Next is the who has been honored with Sumitra Charat Ram Award for 2022. Option is रीता शर्मा, ऑप्शन बी द उमा शर्मा, ऑप्शन सी द सितारा देवी, ऑप्शन डी द शोभना नारायण. सो correct option is option B. Uma Sharma has been honored with the Sumitra Charat Ram Award for 2022. She is the Kathak dancer and she has also been honored with the Padma Shri 1973 and Padma Bhushan in 2001 for contribution to cultural tradition of the country. Next is the question 11. Who has been honored with the Jaipur Foot USA's first global humanitarian award 2022? Option A the Danish Rizwan, option B the Danish Manzoor Bhatt, option C the Khurram Parvez, option D the Yasin Malik. So correct option is the option B. Danish Manzoor Bhatt has been honored with the Jaipur Foot USA's first global humanitarian award 2022. Next is question 12. Recently, Nasim Al-Bahar 2022 exercise takes place between the navy of which two countries? Option A India and UAE, option B India and Malaysia, option C the Oman and UAE, option D the Oman and India. So correct option is the option D. Between Oman and India, the Nasim Al-Bahar 2022 exercise takes place, and it is the 13th edition of Nasim Al-Bahar. Next is question 13. In which state the Southwestern Command of the Indian Army conducted integrated firepower exercise that is named as the Shatrugnas? Option A is Rajasthan, option B the Haryana, option C the Punjab, option D the Gujarat. So, in the Rajasthan state, the Southwestern Command of the Indian Army has conducted the exercise that is named as the Shatrugnath. So, correct answer is the Rajasthan, in the Thar desert of Rajasthan. Thar desert of Rajasthan. Next is question 14. Who has been elected as the President of Kazakhstan? Option A is the Nur Sultan Nazarbayev, option B the Ali Khan Bukhaykhanov, option C the Sultan Gali, option D the Kasim Jomart Tokayev. So correct option is the option D is the correct answer. Kasim Jomart Tokayev has been elected as the President of Kazakhstan, and he has been elected as the President of Kazakhstan for the second time. Next is the question 15. Who has been elected as a member of International Committee for Weight and Measures? Option A is the Ram Gopal Achantha, option B the Krishna Gopal Achantha, option C the Venu Gopal Achantha, option D the Dr. Subramaniam. So correct answer is the option C. वेणुगोपाल अचंता जो है उनको वजन और माप के लिए जो अंतर्राष्ट्रीय समिति है इनके सदस्य के रूप में नियुक्त किया गया है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन 16, ऑन विच डे वर्ल्ड फिशरीज डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड एवरी ईयर? ऑप्शन ए इज ऑन 20th November, option B is the 22nd November, option C is the 21st November, option D is the 23rd November. So correct option is the option C 21st नवंबर, यानी कि 21 नवंबर को जो है विश्व मत्स्य पालन दिवस जो है यह मनाया जाता है। 21 नवंबर को विश्व मत्स्य पालन दिवस मनाया जाता है। Next is the question 17. Which department celebrates the World Heritage Week from 19th to 25th November 2022? Option A is Department of Archives, Archaeology and Museums. Option B is the Department of Culture. Option C is the Department of Survey यानी सर्वेक्षण विभाग. Option D is the Department of Tourism या पर्यटन विभाग. So correct option is the option A, the Department of Archives, Archaeology and Museums, यानी कि जो अभिलेखागार, पुरातत्व और संग्रहालय विभाग जो है वह 19 से लेकर 25 नवंबर तक जो है वह विश्व धरोहर सप्ताह मनाता है। सो करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन ए। So this is the current affairs MCQ of the 23rd November 2022। अगर आपको यह वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज इसको लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और ज्यादा से ज्यादा शेयर करें। अगर कुछ सजेशन आपको देना हो तो प्लीज आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके आप सजेशन दे सकते हैं।